Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will guide you through creating stunning beaded carpet bracelet at home. This DIY project is perfect for adding personal touch to your accessory collection and perfect for beginners also. This tutorial covers everything from basic beading techniques to advanced weaving methods. This handmade masterpiece weaves together intricate threads and sparkling beads to create a true work of art with its unique blends of bohemian flair and sophisticated style. This beaded carpet bracelet is a timeless treasure that will be cherished for years to come. And it's a thoughtful gift for your loved one. So grab your supplies and let's get started. To make this sparkling bracelet, we need some blue seed bead size 6/0. You can use 8/0 instead of it, and metallic seed bead size 11/0 and some multicolor bicone beads 4 mm. I'm using here toggle clasp, but you can use any, and beading thread 0.20 mm and beading needle number 10. So we need total 415 inch thread for the 6 inch bracelet. To start, you can take your comfortable length of the thread and leave 4 to 5 cm thread for the tail, and I'm using here stopper bead, and pass the needle twice to keep the bead in place. It will prevent my beadwork from slip off. Now take 8 blue seed beads size 6/0 and drop it down to the end of the thread. Now pick up 2 blue seed beads for my next row and pass the needle through the last 2 beads in the existing row. Hey friend, from which country you watch this video and what is your native language? Please let me know in the comment section. I'm so much excited to know. After that, I can put your native language in my subtitle. It will help you a lot. Now step up through the next 2 beads I just added. So this is called square stitch. Again I pick up 2 blue seed beads and pass through these 2 beads in the up. Technically this is the 3rd and 4th bead of this existing row. Now step up through the next 2 beads in the 2nd row, or the top 2 beads in the 2nd row. Now pick up 2 blue beads and step down through these 2 beads in the 1st row, or the 5th and 6th bead in the 1st row. All product buying links are given in the description box and first pinned comment. Please check this out. Now you need to step up through the next 2 beads in the 2nd row, or the top 2 beads in this 2nd row. Now pick up 2 blue beads and step down through these 2 beads in the 1st row, or the top 2 beads in the 1st row. If you have any queries regarding my videos, please feel free to ask me. I would love to answer them. Now step up through the top 2 beads in the 2nd line. Now remove the stop bead carefully. Now tie couple knots here. If you love this design, please consider one like and subscribe just to show love and support. Your one like costs you nothing, but it's really motivate me to make more videos for you. Now carefully cut off the extra tail thread here. Now step down through this way all the way down, or the 2nd row. For your convenience, I have listed the material's name and material buying links in the description box and first pinned comment. Please check this out. Now pick up 2 blue seed beads and step down through these last 2 beads in the 2nd row. According to your convenience, you can turn off the subtitle or CC button in your YouTube settings anytime. Now step up through these 2 beads I just added. Again pick up 2 blue seed beads and step down through these 2 beads in the second row. This is the third and fourth bead. Now step up through these last 2 beads in the third row. Again pick up 2 blue seed beads and pass through these 2 beads in the second row. Now step up through these 2 beads in the top, in the third row. Again pick up 2 blue beads and step down through these 2 beads in the second row. I hope you already hit the like and subscribe button for more updates. Now step up through the top 2 beads in the third line. Again pick up 2 blue beads and step down through these last 2 beads in the third row. Now step up through the last 2 beads in the fourth row. It's very simple, so repeat and follow the same step to continue grow the bracelet. If you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing. I post videos and shorts in beads jewelry making like seed beads, pearl beads and crystal beads, like bracelets, necklace, earring, finger ring, etc. So repeat and follow the same step to continue grow the bracelet. As you can see, I just completed my square stitch base. Now step down through these top 3 beads in the second line. Now step down through these middle 2 beads in the first line. Pick up 7 metallic seed beads size 11/0 and the clasp. If you found this video helpful and you want to pay something as a gift, now you can donate me by clicking thanks button in my any videos. It's really motivate me to make more videos for you. Now go back through these previous 2 middle beads in the first line. You can reinforce at this point, but I just skipped the step. Now we need to reach at this point through this way. I'm passing my needle through these 5 beads in the second line. If you have time, you can check out my shorts videos also. So many easy and aesthetic jewelry making shorts tutorial out there. Now pass through this 1 bead in the first line. Make sure the thread is pointing out in the inward direction of the bracelet. Now pick up 3 metallic seed beads, 1 bicone bead and 3 metallic seed beads size 11/0. Now pass the needle through these 2 beads including the previous one and the next one. Now pick up 7 metallic seed beads size 11/0. Now pass through these 2 beads, the previous one and the next one, technically second and third bead of this row. Now pick up 3 metallic seed beads, 1 bicone bead and 3 metallic seed beads. Now pass through these 2 beads, the third and fourth bead of this row. Again, I would love to remind you to please consider one like and subscribe just to show love and support. Your one like costs you nothing, but it's really motivating me to make more videos for you. Now pick up 7 metallic seed beads size 11/0. Now pass through these 2 beads, or you can call 4th and 5th bead of this row. Again pick up 3 metallic seed beads, 1 bicone bead and 3 metallic seed beads. Now pass through these 2 beads, 5th and 6th bead of this row. Again pick up 7 metallic seed beads and pass through these 2 beads, 6th and 7th bead of this row. Pick up 3 metallic seed beads, 1 bicone bead and 3 metallic seed beads. Now pass the needle through these 2 beads, 7th and 8th bead of this row. Now pick up 7 metallic seed beads. Now pass the needle through this last bead, only the last bead. Now pass the needle through these next 2 beads in the second row. Again pick up 3 metallic seed beads, 1 bicone bead and 3 metallic seed beads. Now pass through these 2 beads in this row, first and second bead. Again pick up 7 metallic seed beads and pass through the second and third bead of this row. Again pick up 3 metallic seed beads, 1 bicone bead and 3 metallic seed beads, and now pass through these 2 beads, the third and the fourth bead of this row. Pick up 7 metallic seed beads and pass through this 4th and 5th bead of this row. Again pick up 3 metallic beads and 1 bicone bead and 3 metallic beads, and then pass through these 2 beads, 5th and the 6th bead of this row. Again pick up 7 metallic seed beads and pass through these 2 beads, 6th and the 7th bead. This is very simple. Simply repeat and continue the same process. Although you are watching me free in the YouTube, but please pay my fees. You can give food to the poor or feed street birds or animals, donate new clothes to the old age home or old people. This will be my fees. You need to continue this same embellishment to complete the bracelet. In the beginning, it will look clumsy, but don't worry, after completing couple rows, it will look much better. As you can see it here, I just completed 5 rows and it will look better. And I will be back after completing the total bracelet. As you can see, I just completed the bracelet. Now we need to add the clasp in the another side. As you can see, my thread is coming out through this 5th number bead of this last row. Now pick up 7 to 9 metallic beads and clasp. Now pass through this 4th and 5th number bead. If you found this video helpful and you want to pay something as a gift, now you can donate me by clicking thanks button in my any videos. It's really support me and motivate me to make more videos for you. Thank you. Now we need to complete this embellishment to the rest of the beads. You can see I just completed the bracelet and it's time to secure the end. Now pass the needle through this next line or the second line. I simply zigzag my thread. Now secure it here with the help of couple knots. Cut off the extra tail thread and it's ready. I hope you guys understand the tutorial well. I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.